Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the next update. Sorry it's a day late. Life happens, work, all that stuff. The hubs have come in, as well as the lug nuts. The hubs are a bit massive, but there's a bit of poke. Hang on. Let me line up square with the car. I do still have some space to come in. You want me to turn on the light? Well, let's see if I can get in on here. There's going to be a little fine tuning needed. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do the front yet. Let's see what else. The short shifter I finally installed, as well as the shift knob, carbon fiber, just a really cheap one. I did manage to pick up another KA and transmission, as well as a couple other random parts. I may try and adapt some old Z32 headlights, or I did also pick up a set of BRZ FRSs. So what I would do would be cut right here, remove the housing, and somehow try to make it fit. It's just an idea right now. I haven't really gotten too in depth. A cheap steering wheel, a homemade, there we go, horn button. I'm still debating the Kuberus or the BRZ seats. And I'm still debating if I'm keeping the 1.6 or doing some kind of swap. But hopefully I'll start shooting the videos a day early. That way I don't miss my Monday update. The car is being held together by the cheapest parts possible, but they are brand newish. Yeah, more than likely. Yeah, I've already started putting a list together for the Suburban, so hopefully we'll be working on that while we're working on this. Today's shop tip, life tip, we'll go with don't overdo it project wise, or don't let it snowball on you. Stick to one, if you can, stick to one project at a time. As you've seen from my videos, and most of y'all know me personally, I don't follow my own advice. But trust me, not everybody embraces chaos as I do. But yeah, hopefully 4-point roll bar with harnesses, bikini top. I've went ahead and ordered shackles for the Frankenstein bolts. Yeah, this is the first time I'm trying it with music in the background. I sourced a local artist. He's actually really good. If you're interested, let me know. I'll go ahead and post up his info, hopefully. But that's it. Don't. Oh, these things are massive. 2-piece. But like I said, there is a little space to to play with if I need to. I'm honestly thinking with some overs with a friend who does actual carbon work. We may have to build some specifically for this car. But stay tuned. Again, don't let your project snowball on you. Do as little, well, yeah, pretty much. Just don't let it snowball on you. Be good to each other. Stay tuned for next Monday's update.